So I think that first of all, the experience for the patients is totally different. So it will be nice to see and maybe get more compliance with home care, which we're working very hard on getting from our patients. I think the combination of technology and the feedback that the patient can get through the app and see exactly where they're brushing more or less, or more carefully or less carefully, is a very important aspect. So they can sort of educate themselves throughout the process and get improved with time and become better brushers. And also the addition of the pressure sensors that emphasize not only when you're brushing too hard, but also when you're brushing less than the optimal pressure is also very important, especially for perio patients that we're treating a lot. First of all, the technology is oscillating rotating technology, which we all know and have a lot of science behind that. We actually just published a systematic review that was describing or comparing oscillating rotating technologies to other power toothbrushes, and we saw the difference between them. So the technology of the brushing itself is the same thing. It's just a different wrap or a different presentation that will hopefully help to improve compliance from our patients. I think that it's important to suggest that to people that we're sometimes finding troubles with compliance, or we want to improve compliance when we see that what they're doing at home at this point is not enough, and sometimes we're struggling with giving them the tools or the additional aspects that will help them to improve and maybe to see more results of less bleeding and more plaque control. And those will be maybe the patients that will benefit more from transitioning to this type of technology. So mainly the experience of using it, the smoothness and the fact that it's quiet and smooth and give a nice sensation of cleanness, but also the sensor, which surprised me personally, because it's amazing how you think that you know how to brush your teeth as a dental professional, but you figure out that there are some areas that you're pressing too hard or maybe not pressing the appropriate way. So it was nice to experience that on my own mouth. So again, the combination of the technology that was the oscillating rotating that was proven to give nice results in previous studies with plaque control and reducing of bleeding and gingival inflammation, together with this new presentation that will help patients to feel better when they're using that technology, but also to get better feedback and to learn with time how to improve the way they're controlling their plaque, will benefit those patients and will hopefully help us to get better compliance with better quality of plaque control at home.